Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Bank of Baroda on a mobile device. If you'd like to log into one of your bank accounts on Bank of Baroda using your mobile, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the address field at the top, type in www.bankofbaroda.in and search. You'll find yourself in the official website of Bank of Baroda, which looks like this. At the very top right, you'll be able to see a login button. Tap on the login button and you'll be able to see different categories displayed on the screen. If you're a customer, you can go ahead and choose one of the options from the top. If you're an employee, go select one of the options from the employee section. And for ex-employees, you can go and tap on this drop down and click on this link. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and tap on one of the options that are listed for the customers. You can go ahead and choose between one of these two options at the top. Let me tap on this first option. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page over here. Go ahead and type in your user ID into the text box that appears on the screen. Make sure to type it in correct and then select the language of your choice from the drop down. In case you don't remember your user ID, you can tap on this Forgot User ID link and follow the instructions. After you're done typing in your user ID, tap Log In. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and type in your password. Make sure to type in the correct password, follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be logged into your Bank of Baroda account with your mobile phone, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.